I am Casey, also known for the name Rabbi's Common House, and um, I'm going to be seeing a movie. Oh, and don't tell me what's online because she really likes it. That's my cool thing, but I would do it. Okay, when I'm ready, now we're going to sit down for a opportunity. She was like in so many different ways, out in the dark, moon sky. I know the cause of a losing hand. Never thought it could, love could go on. I found him all in my love, my friend. And then I hear his voice inside. I've been alone when I'm surrounded by friends. I'm still silent, so loud. But so go home, knowing that I've got you. There's only us when the lights go down. You are my heaven, my nest. You are my hunger, my thirst. Refuse to find. Thinking sometimes I can come and pass you by. Where your feet in the ground. Suddenly hit you and then you realize that in your hand. Baby, you've got to stay. You are my heaven on earth. You are my love, my thirst. I am a healing place of love. Like and subscribe. Yeah, done.